Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a split slider or split section like this one on your Shopify online store. So this is very professional eye-catching section for any Shopify store, especially if you want to make any gardening or fashion or kid relevant product store, then this type pie or section is very useful, make it a very professional. So here I am going to show you how you can make it and what is the pie. So first of all, you can see that I have added 3 blocks in here, and if I go back in the customize section, I'm going to the customize section. So here is the customize section. It's called luxury split hero, and it has maximum premium pie. For example, we can set multiple column style. For example, one column full width. You see, if you want to use as a main banner slider, 2 column. You see, then 3 column. Also, you can add 4, 5 column, and then we have created full width section. For example, right now it's has a box style and match with the current active horizon theme default pages width. So you can set it full width. Let me show you. I'm going to set it full width, and if I reload, you see, also if I want to change the header top and bottom space, you see, we can make it more professional. So this is just one section, one style. We have much more style in here. You see, you have multiple style. If I count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and almost 50 plus page or customization option in here. Let me show you more in one by one. We can set max content width. Going to save. You see, right now it match with the current theme width. Then gap between banner, we can set gap between banner from here. You see, we can add gap between banner. Also we can add border, banner border radius. You see, if you want, we can add banner border radius, banner border width. We can set the banner border width from here. For example, going to add red. You see, we can also change the color. Now if we want to add some space from like top and bottom, spacing top, spacing top. Now we can understand very deeply what actually we are. You see, there have maximum option like border radius, border width, or border width size, or border bottom size, and color. Also, let me show you. If I remove everything, for example, I'm going to remove border radius, click on the save. Then we have column, middle column margin padding. We can control middle column margin padding just for middle one. For example, we can add middle column margin padding as we want. Okay, also extra content padding bottom, border radius, it's for only middle column. Border radius, drop shadow, we can set drop shadow in here. You see, on the middle column. Then scale up slightly. You see, we can make some scale up slightly. Let me show you so far. You see, but for next section color must be matched with this section to display the dove shadow perfectly. Okay, then we have more option like border color in here. Banner height, we can set banner height in here. Custom full screen, large, medium, small. Then custom height we can set 600 pixel. Then section background, we can control the section background. For example, we can set it, you see. Okay, use gradient background, we can add gradient background in here. For example, we are going to add this gradient. You see, we have added gradient background in here. So I think you no need any single code touch to use it. Then gradient direction, there is the gradient direction also, and section pairing that we already check in the previous. Then mobile slider, it's autoplay on mobile. For example, if someone visited mobile, then it looks like so. You see, mobile slider, autoplay on mobile, speed, autoplay speed on mobile. Then show dot style, then active dot color, we can make it black. You see, circle. Okay, show arrow navigation, we can show arrow navigation color. You see, here is the arrow navigation color. Then slide full width 1, or we can set, you see. Okay, then we can control the effect. For example, right now it's zoom effect. We can add parallax, global bottom border radius. You can set up global bottom border radius. For example, you see, yes, it's working nicely. Okay, so I hope you understand the total picture of this split hero section. And now if you are going to make a professional gardening store, then it will be perfect for you. You see, it looks very professional and eye-catching. So here is the question, is that how you will get the ready code snippet. Actually, you will get the ready code snippet link in the video description. Also, you will get free installation or setup service. Just check out the link in the video description, then you will get it fully free, for free. I means only the setup service is free. So check out the link in the video description. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. I am working as a Shopify developer last 6 years, and I am available to build any custom to complex design or professional eye-catching Shopify store that boost conversion for you. See you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.